Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Many craftswomen often have a problem with not knowing how to fix the eyelashes on the plastic eyes. I have been putting this process off for a long time, but finally I decided to start putting eyelashes on. The first results were not perfect, but still, it is better than without eyelashes. In this video, I will show you how to fix the eyelashes on the plastic eyes. For this, we will need plastic trapezoidal eyes. I will use eyes with a diameter of 16 mm. We will need foil or container for a glue, pin, needle or toothpick, transparent glue. I will use Moment crystal glue. It is completely dry in 24 hours. Also eyelashes. Eyelashes and eyes I'm buying on AliExpress, link at the bottom of the video. Also you will need scissors. So let's get to work. At the beginning we put an eyelash on the plastic eye to find out how long we will like it. I usually cut off about 5 mm from the edge. Please note that the edges we are cutting at the opposite edges of the eyelashes. If first eyelash you cut off the edge on the left, then the second eyelash you will cut off the edge on the right. And now our eyelashes is ready and we can fix them on the plastic eye. The next step, we have to squeeze a little bit of glue on the foil. We put a small amount of glue on the edge of the plastic eye, literally 1 cm. You should put it very careful. After that, put the eyelash and press it to the plastic eye and let the eyelash stick for a minute. Fix it and hold it. After that, we squeeze the new glue and we have to apply this glue to the remaining part of the eyelash. You should do it very fast. I suggest you to use glue like a gel, like a clear gel. When you're done with this, gently press and hold it for a few minutes. Now your plastic eyes is ready for drying. My glue needs 24 hours, so I leave the eyes to dry until the end and tomorrow I can install them on the toys. Remember that the main thing in this case is practice. Do not be afraid to try and practice and you will get it all. Thank you very much for viewing. Like, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below this video or Instagram. Have a nice day. Bye bye.